Okay. It's on. Oh wait, you found it. Dang, I was trying to look above. Where's are they gonna do the next extraction? Let's go. Oh, the head.
All right, today we're going to bring some headsets, and these are gaming headsets. Now, I was very impressed with it because of three reasons, right? First of all, they're very comfortable. Second of all, they sound great when you're gaming, and you could hear really good on the other side too. And the last but not least, these are compatible pretty much with any device out there, all right? Now, one of the things I like about it is that this is detachable, right? So you could just take it off. You don't have to have it permanent there. So if you're worried about, maybe you want to listen to music without the actual mic, you can do that, all right? And now, when you put this mic back in there, it has to be in a certain way too. So just to be aware, it's a little shape in there. This has like a gooseneck on the actual microphone itself. The actual cushion itself is pleather, but it's really, really soft, especially on the top two. It's more like a memory foam on both ends, all right? Now, we're going to talk a little bit more about the actual buttons itself. If you guys can see, you got your USB Type-C, your knob for the audio control, your power on, and then also devices, different devices too. Now, to turn on the actual system, you hold on the power button, it turns on, LED light comes on. You can change the modes, all right, because this actually has built-in Bluetooth that you could set up. Built-in Bluetooth is going to start changing colors, blue. It's just off and on. And then on top of that, they give you this little device. Now, I opened it up because this thing goes in here. It's embedded in here. And this is made for a couple of reasons. This attaches, it's a wireless 2.4 hertz, all right? It attaches to any device. If you're going to play PlayStation 5 or the Nintendo Switch or your PC, just plug in the device Type-C. They give you a converter too. Now, they give you buttons in here. That's only if you're going to set up your actual controller, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I was able to put it in there. It's a little difficult taking it out and put it back on, all right? So now this thing is compatible with your Xbox. You have your Xbox controller. You put it on here, and it's ready to go. Now, you're able to control the audio connections here, mute yourself, and actually volume up and volume down. The other thing is that you could plug this into your PC, and we are going to plug in our PC because we're going to test the microphone itself. But first of all, I want to show you the actual features on the lighting itself and how to turn it off. So I'm going to power on this device, right? 1, 2, 3. It turns on. If you guys can see. Now, the RGB lighting, it could be annoying for some players, or if you don't want to be seen, you can always just double click and it goes away, all right? It's still on right now, if you guys can see. Now, on button, if you guys can see, it's showing you that it's trying to connect a Bluetooth device right now. You could connect your phone with it, or you could connect your computer to it. Now, on the computer, we're going to connect this device, and I'm going to start streaming my audio through the microphone, and I'm going to show you a couple things on the actual microphone. All right, we're going to be talking to the microphone. I'm going to test it out first. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is how the microphone sounds. Now, if you guys can see, the lighting turns on the actual microphone. Now, very flexible, and I think it's too high, so I got to make sure that I'm away from the actual microphone because I see that it's really high. So you could even lower it down too. And in here, like if you don't want to test, you want to control the audio control, you can do that from the actual headset itself. Now, one of the things I like about this microphone is that it's very flexible, this part right here, and it moves pretty good. I like the actual headphones itself, very soft, especially for a bald head guy like me. Very large head too. It's simple. And now I added my glasses on purpose so you guys can see that the system works really well with this. So very simple out of the box, multiple different systems you can play with. I hope you guys enjoy this video.